Hello, welcome to Peter Explain Maths. With the question on the board, find the value of x in the diagram below. We are looking for the value of x, this angle, okay? But these two lines are parallel. This arrow is showing us that the two lines are parallel to each other. And you know two parallel lines cannot meet. To solve this question, what do we need to do? From this point, let's draw a parallel line that divides this up and down equally. So, if you do that, you look at it again. What else do I need to do? There is an angle here which is not named. We can call it angle A and call the angle here angle B. From this line to this, there is an angle here. We can call it angle C. From the above, here to here, you are looking at alternate angle that some call it sed angles. Sed angles, whereby the angle here is equal to the angle here. So A is equal to B. Give us the reason. Alternate angles are equal. Okay? Same thing here. When you look at C to 25, like this, letter Z to C equal to 25. So C equal to 25 degree. Alternate angles. Okay? Then when you look up here, what are you looking at? You are looking at a straight line where you have A plus 175 degree equal to 180. Reason, sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. Therefore, A equal to 180 degree minus 175 degree. A is 5 degree. A equal to 5 degree. A equal to 5 degree. So if A is 5, B is 5 as well. If A is 5, B equal to 5 as well. Then when we come down here, he said C equal to 25. Alternate angles are equal. So this is 25. Therefore, if I add 5 and 25 together, that gives me 30. Don't forget, we now have x plus 30. I've added B and C together to give 30 equal to 360 degree. Why? Sum of angle at the points. Sum of angles at a point. Okay? What do we now have? X is equal to 360 degree minus 30 degree. The value of x is now 330 degree. Very simple. Very simple. Thanks for watching. If you are a new source, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. Don't go without subscribing. Kindly subscribe, share and like this channel and the video as well. And share the channel with your friends. Thanks.